Assalamu alaikum. Greetings from Talent Upskill. Class 5 English version Math Decimal Fractions chapter. Exercise 7a. Exercise 7a. Question number 2. Multiply. Question number 3. Multiply. See all these problems. Each of these problems have two parts. One is a decimal fraction and the other is a whole number. Every one, a decimal fraction, a whole number, a decimal fraction, a whole number, a decimal fraction and a whole number. And each of these whole number is a one-digit number. It's so simple, and that made the problem very easy. It's a one-digit whole number. So when you see the decimal fraction there is a decimal fraction and the other is a whole number, and the whole number is a one-digit number. In that case, you don't need to worry much. We don't have to do it vertically. By vertically I mean 4, for example, 3 and 5. This is 15. So we don't need to do vertically. We just have to solve or calculate straightway horizontally. For example, let's start with number 1. We will do number 1 and then we will do number 7, number 8. Here we will do number 1 again, and we will do number 11 and number 12. Okay, let us start with number 1 of question number 2 bracket number 1. 0.4 into 2. So as I said, we don't need to do it vertically. Straight where we can do it. 4 into 2 is 8. First thing, you don't look at the decimal part. Number 1, ignore the decimal part. Ignore the decimal point. Okay. So ignore the decimal point and multiply. And then put the decimal point in the result. Okay. So what is the result? 4 into 2 is 8. 8. Now you have to take a look before the decimal point is just before one digit. So we put decimal point just before one digit. Answer 0.8. Number 7. 0.007 into 8. First thing, ignore the decimal point and multiply. So it should be 5, 6, 56. 7 into 8 is 56. Now put the decimal point in the result. Take a look before how many digits the decimal point is. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 digits. So we have to put the decimal point before 3 digits. But here is, we can see here only 2 digits. what we are going to do? We put a 0 here and then we put the decimal point. And before decimal point we can always put a 0. That doesn't have any value. So answer should be 0.056. Now number 2 and 8, bracket 8. 0.004, 0.004 into 5. So ignore the decimal point and do the calculation. Multiply. It is 20. Put the decimal point in the result. Count the digits. 1, 2, 3. The decimal point is before 3 digits. And we have to put before 3 digits. But there is only 2 digits here. So we put a 0 before decimal point. Here should be the decimal point. And we can always put a 0 just before decimal point. Zero point 0.020. Now question number 3. 1 bracket 1, 2.3 into 3, 2.3 into 3 equals to, ignore the decimal point and multiply. 3 into 3 is 9, 3 into 2 is 6. Put the decimal point in the result. How you will put the decimal point in the result? You count the digit. There is 1 digit before which the decimal point is. So we have to put decimal point here just before 1 digit. So answer is 6.9. Let us do number 11. Question number 3 bracket 11. 0.507, 0.507 multiply by 8 equals to 7 into 8 is 56. 6 here and 5 in hand. 8 into 0. So we can put the 5 here. 5 into 8, 40. 0, 4. Now put the decimal point in the result. Where you will put before 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. So decimal point should be here. 4.056. So answer is 4.056. Question number 3 bracket 12. The last one. 2.954, 2.954 into 5. Ignore the decimal point and multiply. 5 into 4 is 20. 2 in hand. 5 into 5 is 25. 25 and 2, 27. 5 into 9, 45. And 2, 47. 4 in hand. 5 into 2, 10. 10 and 4, 14. Now put the decimal point in the result. How you will put? Count the digit. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. We have to put the decimal point here. 14, 14.770 is the answer. Answer is 14.770. Thank you everyone. If you have any question, please write it in the comment box. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.